How's it going up there, Owen?
There's just one teeny bit of stone left. Going down. Next stop.
Oh no. Take all the time you need. I hope.
Oh, hello there, Paxton. Heading off to the docks again?
Yeah. Where else is the stone going to go? Another quarry?
Oh, I don't think so. But be careful, mind you. There's a blizzard coming soon. Duncan wouldn't want his buffers frozen again. You may need help from another engine.
Oh! No thank you, Renee's. I'm sure I can manage. Be back in a flash.
Be careful, mind you.
Will you hurry up already? My buffers are starting to freeze. But I can only go this fast, you know.
You want us to help?
No thank you. That wouldn't be necessary. I hope I can make it to the docks before then. Besides, what could possibly go wrong? Maybe I'm 5 minutes away from the docks, right? Don't worry. As long as my wheels get good grip, I'll be as light as... Whoa! Ah! Oh, somebody! Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, oh, I've never felt this cold.
Won't be able to make it this far. We'll go back for help next.
I have to keep trying. I can't let Tom Matt down. Besides, it's not that bad from here. Let me give it a good try. Oh, there we go. Oh, there. We made it. Now we could go. Oh, not another one. Oh, I mustn't be stopped. Paxton, stop! You'll blow your engine. Why is it so harder than it looks? We'll never make it to the docks on time. And I think I've let Sir Tom Matt and the other engines down. Wait a minute. Someone else is out there. Maybe they could help us. Hey, somebody! Help!
Oh, say, Dougie, you hear someone cry for help? I don't it. It better not be Henry again. We better investigate, though.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Ah, come on. Don't be shy. Give us a shout.
Thomas, is that you? This is not a funny joke anymore. Thomas? But I'm not a steamy, aren't I?
What, Paxton? What on earth are you doing here, Larry?
Long story short, I have to get this train of stone to the docks. But I'm caught between the snowbanks. I tried my hardest to get out. Didn't work out, though.
Well, sometimes you can't do everything at once, laddie. But never fear. Me and Donnie will have you out there in 2 totes of a wizard.
Oh, thanks, guys. I'd be ever so grateful.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hello, Toby. Never fear, we've brought the train here. No sweat about it. Everything's all right.
Aye, matey, no hard feelings. But what took you so long this blizzard?
Oh, well, nothing too, frosty, right?
Aye, nothing too frosty.
I don't get it.